Before buying an OB roller wheel, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. It's not just about the price or the look, it's about how effective it really is for your workouts. Product number 1, READAER OB Roller Wheel. The READAER OB Roller Wheel caught my eye because it's priced at just $17.70, making it one of the cheaper options out there. The heavy-duty metal handle with a rubber surface looks solid and ready for tough workouts. If you want an affordable way to strengthen your core, this is worth a serious look. Now, let's talk about why this wheel is a good choice for you. First off, the rubber surface on the grips means you won't be slipping or losing your grip during those tough reps. And with over 700 units sold in the past month, it's clearly getting attention. The design is straightforward but effective, perfect for targeting your abs and building strength without fancy add-ons that just complicate things. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Simplicity often leads to better focus during workouts, allowing you to really hone in on your core. However, I did find one drawback. Some users mentioned that the wheel itself feels a bit bulky, making it harder to balance during exercises. Now, some people complained about this issue. Here's the thing though, it's not a deal breaker if you're willing to put in some practice to master your form. This is perfect for you if you're just starting out and want a budget-friendly option to help build your abs. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra-compact for travel. Now, if the bulkiness of the READAER wheel bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, VINSGYR OB Roller Wheel. The VINSGYR OB Roller Wheel is priced at $32.88, and it caught my attention with its included knee pad accessories. If you're looking for a more comprehensive experience for your home gym, this is definitely worth a look. What's great about this wheel is its focus on full-body strength training. The added knee pad is a nice touch, giving you that extra comfort when you're really pushing your limits. With another 700+ units sold last month, it's clear that people are finding value in this product. It's designed to help you not only work on your abs but also engage your chest and arms, making it a versatile addition to your routine. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're someone who gets bored easily with workouts, this wheel gives you the chance to mix things up. But let's keep it real. Some users found that it doesn't always roll smoothly on carpet. Now, some people complained about that issue. Here's the thing though, if you have a solid surface to use it on, it's a non-issue, and the comfort features really make it worthwhile. This is perfect for you if you need that extra support and comfort while working out. Skip this one if you primarily exercise on carpet and don't want to deal with any rolling issues. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want an automatic feature. Product number 3, 2025 New Automatic Rebound OB Roller Wheel. This 2025 New Automatic Rebound OB Roller Wheel is priced at $43, and it's designed to really push your core workout to the next level. With its elbow support and 4-wheel design, this one immediately stands out. If you want a more advanced workout tool, this is worth a serious look. The automatic rebound feature is particularly interesting. It means you can roll out to the maximum stretch without worrying about how to roll back in. This is perfect for beginners who might struggle with the traditional roller. With over 300 sold last month, people seem to be intrigued by this innovative design. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It provides a safety net, allowing you to focus on your form without the fear of falling flat on your face. However, there's a catch. Some users felt that the automatic rebound feature can be a bit too sensitive. Now, some people complained about that issue. Here's the thing though, if you find that you can control your movements, it becomes an asset rather than a flaw. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an advanced solution that offers more support during workouts. Skip this one if you prefer a more traditional approach to OB rollers. Now, if you're not into the automatic features, the next product might be more your speed. Product number 4, OB Roller Wheel with Grip Strength Trainer. The OB Roller Wheel comes in at just $18.01, and what really caught my attention is that it's packaged with 2 grip strength trainers. If you're looking for a basic yet effective option with a little extra, this is worth a look. This wheel is designed to really help you with your abdominal and core strength, but the added grip strength trainers are a nice bonus. They make this product stand out by giving you a chance to work on your grip at the same time. With 50+ units sold recently, it's gaining traction for its simplicity. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're someone who wants to multitask during workouts, this product adds value without complicating things. That said, some users found the wheel to be a bit lightweight, which might not feel sturdy during intense sessions. Now, some people complained about this issue. Here's the thing though, it's still effective for beginners who are just getting started and want to build their core strength without overdoing it. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget but still want to work on multiple aspects of your fitness. Skip this one if you're an advanced user looking for something more heavy-duty. And there you have it. Each of these OB roller wheels has something unique to offer, from budget-friendly options to advanced equipment. If you want simplicity, comfort, or innovation, there's something here for everyone. To wrap it up, we've explored some solid options for OB roller wheels. The READAER is great for budget-conscious beginners, while the VINSGUIR adds comfort and versatility. The automatic rebound wheel offers advanced features for those ready to push their limits, and the last one is perfect for multitasking on a budget. All of them have their strengths and weaknesses, so consider what fits your needs best.